Raiz Invest has transformed the way everyday Australians can save and invest effortlessly. One of the most powerful features of Raiz is the roundup function, which allows you to automatically invest your spare change from everyday purchases into a diversified portfolio. The right settings can make a significant difference in how quickly your wealth grows. The first step is enabling the roundup feature in the app. Once activated, every time you make a purchase, Raiz rounds it up to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. For example, if you spend $4.70 on coffee, Raiz rounds it up to $5, investing 30 cents into your portfolio. Over time, these small amounts accumulate, and the compounding effect can be substantial. Adjusting your roundup settings allows you to control the pace of your investments. You can choose between rounding up to the nearest dollar, $2, or $5. While rounding up to $1 is more gradual, choosing $2 or $5 accelerates your savings, which can be ideal if you want faster portfolio growth. You can also combine roundups with recurring investments. Setting a weekly or monthly deposit on top of your roundups maximizes your investment potential. For example, adding $50 weekly along with your roundups ensures consistent growth while still leveraging the passive accumulation from everyday purchases. Raiz also allows you to round up on specific spending categories. Targeting discretionary spending like entertainment or dining out ensures essential expenses remain untouched while surplus funds work for you. Monitoring your portfolio performance in the app helps fine-tune these settings over time. By optimizing the roundup amount, combining it with recurring deposits, and choosing the right portfolio, you can take full advantage of Raiz automation, turning everyday spending into a powerful investment habit. Setting it correctly is straightforward, and once done, it works silently in the background, steadily building your wealth without extra effort.